special, that is called egg muffins. We will make it in microwave. Now the ingredients are capsicum, carrot, peas, white cabbage, red cabbage, cauliflower and broccoli. And dry ingredients: salt, oregano and black pepper. And cheese and eggs. You can add any vegetables. So let's get started. We'll add capsicum, carrot, peas, cauliflower and broccoli. Here I'm making with mixed vegetables. This is separate. Now we will add dry ingredients. Now oregano. Now black pepper. At last we will put some coriander. We'll add eggs. Now we need to mix them. After mixing, now I'm going to put my favorite ingredient, cheese. You can add cheese after baking also. Now I'm going to put them in microwave. Now they are ready to cook. Wow! Oh wow, how nice they are. Now they are ready and I'm going to have a bite. They're absolutely yummy. Now you can make them ahead of time. You can put them in the fridge and whenever you want to eat, just microwave it. Please like my channel and subscribe. Bye bye.